Welcome to the Military Veterans Program's main website. Today, I will walk you through what our main page has to offer you. Beginning on the left side of your screen, we have our MVP Forms portal, our Blackboard virtual lobby, our guest feedback form, and a donate funds option. Beginning with the MVP Forms portal, this is where incoming and continuing students are able to submit their VA or Hazelwood benefits for each semester. The Blackboard Virtual Lobby is where students can virtually communicate with a team member in reference to their benefits. The Guest Feedback Form is an option to voice comments or concerns anonymously if you wish, and the Donate Funds option is available to help support our local veterans if you would like to donate today. If you would like to know more about our office, hit the About MVP drop-down menu for our department information, such as our welcome message, our ratings, rankings, and awards, and a way to contact us. In the Resources drop-down menu, we have connections, academic support, and financial information links readily available to you. Key ones to note would be our campus, community, state, and federal resources, as well as our veteran liaisons, the tutoring guide, and mentoring. And lastly, the financial aid, student business services, and MVP scholarships available to you. In the Programs and Benefits drop-down menu, we have everything that you need to view to get started with your Hazelwood or federal VA benefits. If you would like to keep up with our office, click the Events and Calendar drop-down menu to see what we have going on each semester. We look forward to helping assist you with your military benefits. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on social media. Rackham Tech.